ready to turn your WordPress website into a revenue-generating powerhouse for your services. Accepting payments directly through your WordPress site for your services is now more secure and efficient than ever, and this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. The first step is choosing the right payment gateway. Think of this as the bridge between your website and your bank account. Popular options include Stripe, PayPal, and Square, each offering different fee structures and integrations. Next, we'll head into your WordPress dashboard. We'll go to Plugins, and then Add New. This is where we'll find the tools to connect our chosen payment gateway. In the search bar, type the name of your selected payment gateway, like Stripe or PayPal. You'll see various plugins appear. Look for the official plugin or one with high ratings and many active installations. Click Install Now on the plugin you choose, and once it's installed, click Activate. This makes the plugin ready to use on your site. Now comes the crucial part: configuration. You'll need to find your API keys from your payment gateway account. These are unique codes that link your website to your payment processor. Carefully copy and paste these keys into the designated fields in the plugin's settings. To actually sell your services, you'll likely need to integrate a plugin like WooCommerce or a dedicated service booking plugin. Within these, you'll create individual listings for each service you offer, setting prices and descriptions. Once your plugin is set up and your services are listed, it's time to test. Visit your website and navigate to a service page, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout as if you were a customer. You should see the payment form from your chosen gateway. Go through the process with a test transaction. If everything is configured correctly, you'll see a confirmation of a successful payment. This ensures your business is ready to collect payments smoothly.